Now it's time to tell you my secret of creating cool Instagram stories. This is a short review of the brand new Instagram library. With this library, I make cool stories for Instagram and Snapchat incredibly fast and easy. This library has a completely new reworked panel where I can find any animations or elements I need. It is very handy and saves me a lot of time. Firstly, I look through preview designs in different categories until I find something I need. Then I choose the preset and watch an animated preview. Now I need to add this preset to my photo just by pressing one button, Apply. Great! Now my stories look much cooler. Also, I like that this library consists of different categories and subcategories. Everyone who loves traveling and adventures can find cool scenes in the category Travel. If you need to sail something faster, you check out stylish scenes in the category Sail. Everything about fashion and health you can find in the category Beauty. And there are also a lot of ready-to-use scenes in the category Sport. If you have a business account in Instagram, this category is definitely for you. Besides that, there are some other categories such as Glitch, Basic, Swipe Elements and different backgrounds. At the moment, this library is the must-have for me because it's actually a new way to create.